Hello and welcome to this channel. Today we will talk about AutoCAD, and if you have just opened AutoCAD for the very first time, the screen can look confusing. In this video I will explain every important part of the AutoCAD interference so you know exactly where everything is. By the end of this video you will be comfortable navigating the software. In this video we will talk about these points that I have noted: AutoCAD interference, how to start your first drawing, understanding the command line, and model space layout. First, AutoCAD interference. First of all, let me tell you what is AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a computer-aided design software developed by Autodesk. It is widely used by civil engineers, architects, mechanical engineers, and designers to create accurate 2D drawings and 3D models. So after opening the AutoCAD, on the very top you see a ribbon. It shows you different type of tabs. There is Home tab, Insert, Annotate, Paramatics, View, Manage, Output, Collaborate, Add-ins, Featured apps, and Express tools. We will use Home the most because it has all the things that we need in a drawing. Think of ribbon as a toolbox. Every drawing command is located somewhere here. Now the blank space you are seeing, it is called a drawing area. This is where we create our drawings. Everything we draw will appear here. Now at the bottom left you see X and Y. This tells us the drawing directions. Most beginners don't need to worry much about it. Now the next thing you see is the command line. This is one of the most important topics. Whenever we type a command here, AutoCAD performs that action. So if we type wait a minute, yes, line, AutoCAD will read it and direct us to line. We can draw lines. If we type circle, it will lead us to circle. If we draw a rectangle, it will lead us to rectangle, and so on. There are many commands in AutoCAD. Almost every command can be accessed by typing. Then there is this part. It is called a status bar. You see there are grid mode. You can tap it and grids will be activated on the drawing space. There is ortho, there is polar, and there is tracking, there is OSNAP, you can adjust the scale of the drawing, and you can also go to different settings here. And if you are confused like how do they work, we will cover each of these in future videos. Now you have learned the basic interference of the AutoCAD. Let us jump into the next part: how to start your first drawing. Before starting a first drawing, we always check our units in which we make the drawings. For that you type UN, enter, and there is a drawing unit window, and there you can select different settings for your design and precision levels and the unit you want to make drawings in. The most common is meter, and I also use it meters, so I won't change anything. Then there is zoom, pan. You can zoom by scrolling the middle mouse button, and you can pan by holding the middle mouse button. Also you can pan from here or zoom from here. So Whatever command you have activated and you want to get out of it, always press escape. It will get you out of that command. Either it's circle or anything, just press escape. So the next thing is understanding the command line. Since I have already told you about the command line, I will go a little deeper right now. You can type L on your keyboard and enter. It is a shortcut key for line, and your command line will read it and direct you to line. The shortcut key for circle is C. You can also use it in command line with read is it at a circle. You can use rectangle. There you go. Command line with read it as a rectangle. You can add copy. You can just copy the objects from here. You can rotate the objects by entering RO for rotate. You can rotate it. You can also select the object and press M. That's for move, and you can move the object. So command line is like the main command bar of anything that you type, and it will direct you to that command. Then there is model space and layout. The drawing that you have drawn on this page, it is called a model page or model space. Imagine you are drawing a house. It will be on a model space, and when you prepare the drawing for printing, you will use the layout. This is the model space and this is the layout. Let me fix this, and there you go. We can also use different papers sizes for printing, and you can also add title blocks in the layout, and our print will be ready. Since you have learned the basic commands and interference of AutoCAD, we will talk about more details about AutoCAD in our next video. So I will see you in the next one.